Hi there kids! Today we have a short story. The title of the story is about Mr. Spout by Prabha Bhattarai Ujwal Tamang of Let'sReadAsia.org. Wake up, Mr. Spout! People are coming! They need water. Mr. Spout, may I have some water? Asks an old woman. Yes, I will put it in your vessel. Thank you. Now I can say my morning prayers. Here comes someone with a pot. Mr. Spout, may I have some water? Please take what you need. Thank you. Now I can cook breakfast. Look, a family out for a ride. Mr. Spout, may I have some water? Let me fill your bucket. Thank you. Now I can wash my motorcycle. Mr. Spout, may I have some water? Asks a mother. Mr. Spout is happy to help. Yes, I will fill your tub. Thank you. Now I can wash my clothes. Soon, an artist arrives. Mr. Spout, may I have some water? You can fill your mug here. Thank you. Now I can clean my paintbrushes. Mr. Spout, may I have some water? Asks a gardener. I will put it in your watering can. Thank you. Now I can water my plants. Mr. Spout, may we have some water? Some boys ask. I have been working hard, but here is water for your buckets. Thank you. Now we can get clean. A thirsty dog begs. Arp! Mr. Spout, may I please have some water? Here, you can drink, but it is late, so please hurry. Arp, arp. Thank you. I feel better now. Finally, the day is done. No one else needs water. Time to sleep, Mr. Spout. Tomorrow is another busy day. Yay! It's another busy day today. The end.